Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix your iPhone if after upgrading and your battery drains really quickly. Firstly, kindly go to your settings. Now scroll down and tap on battery. Switch off percentage and switch on low power mode. After that, go back and tap on privacy. After switching off location services, kindly go back and turn off all apps that have access to tracking on your iOS 18. Now, if you followed all the steps, this should reduce the way your battery drains really fast. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.